हे गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल हिमानी फिजिक्स ट्यूटोरियल्स। गाइस, आज की इस वीडियो में हम लोग हाई एनर्जी फिजिक्स के बारे में बात करने वाले हैं। सो बेसिकली ये जो हमारा टॉपिक है ये हमारा पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन लेवल का टॉपिक है। तो ये जो वीडियो लेक्चर सीरीज़ है ये हमारी कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स एज वेल एज फॉर अवर अपकमिंग यूनिवर्सिटी एग्जाम्स, उन दोनों के लिए ये आपकी क्या रहेगी, बेनिफिशियल रहेगी। सो स्टे ट्यून विद दिस वीडियो लेक्चर एंड वॉच टिल द एंड टू क्लियर अप all the concepts of particle physics from the very basic to the very high level. So let's get started. So guys, the topics which we are going to cover in this particular lecture series of particle physics, that is high energy physics, are mentioned here. So I'm going to explain all the topics to you very in a very nice way, so that this will be very helpful for your upcoming competitive exams. So first one is which we are going to study is about classification of elementary particles. We will know what are elementary particles and how they are classified accordingly, okay, according to the properties which they possess. So second one is basic parameters of elementary particles. What are the basic parameters of elementary particles? This also we are going to study in our lecture series. Third one is conservation laws. That is, we know that conservation laws are very important in our physics. So we are going to study for the conservation laws, and these are of means two types, that is exact conservation laws and approximation type. Okay, then we are going to study for the symmetric classification, that is symmetry classification, and after that we are going to study for the quark model for hadrons का quark model हम इसमें पढ़ने वाले हैं. Then sixth one is we are going to study for the standard models. So these are the topics which we are going to cover in our lecture series of particle physics. So अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आएगी तो लाइक करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और अपने दोस्तों के साथ इसे शेयर करें, क्योंकि ये जो लेक्चर सीरीज है पार्टिकल फिजिक्स की, ये आपके अपकमिंग नेट जेआरएफ एग्जाम, एनी कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स लाइक गेट, जेस्ट, टिफर, इन सब के लिए भी बहुत ज़्यादा आपकी हेल्पफुल होने वाली है. सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. So now first of all we are going to study for the four fundamental forces of nature. So from very basic we all know that we have four fundamental forces in our nature. First one is our gravitational force, second one is our electromagnetic force, third one is our strong force, and fourth one is our weak forces. So there is no sequence to study these. We can start from anywhere. Okay, we can start from electromagnetic, we can start from gravitation, we can start from weak or strong. So there is no any foundation to start with any sequence. Okay, so these two forces which we are going to study will be very helpful because these are the basic fundamental forces of nature. We are going to study first of all the gravitational interaction or forces are the same thing. So let's move to the gravitational part. So yes, gravitational interaction. From the very basic, from class 11th we can say, or class 9th, we have studied about the gravitational forces. What are gravitational force? So basically gravitational force is attractive in nature. Since if two bodies in the universe are separated by some small distance, sorry not small distance, from distance, ठीक है, हम यहाँ पे small distance की बात नहीं करेंगे क्योंकि gravitational forces are very long range forces. So if two bodies are attracted each other with a distance r, then there is a formula known as gravitational force formula, that is F is equals to m into m upon r square. F is directly proportional to the product of these masses into the square, inversely proportional to the square of the distance between these bodies. So these are basically attractive in nature. Okay, so the properties of gravitational interaction are as follows. First of all, this is very attractive in nature. Okay, अगर कोई भी बॉडीज यूनिवर्स में है तो वो एक दूसरे को क्या करेंगे, अट्रैक्ट करेंगी. इसीलिए हमारी जितनी भी चीज़ें लाइक हम लोग हैं या कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट आपके आसपास आप देख सकते हैं, दैट आर स्टेबल ड्यू टू द ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स. ओके, दैट आर अटैच्ड टू द surface of the floor, or we can say anything which have been observed around you is stable due to the gravitational interaction. So second one is it is independent of medium, वेलोसिटी एंड ओरिएंटेशन. कैसा भी ओरिएंटेशन हो, कैसा भी मीडियम हो, कैसी भी वेलोसिटी हो, उससे हमारे ग्रेविटेशनल इंटरेक्शन पे कोई भी फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. ओके, and third one is the mediating particle, or we can say that the exchange particle of this gravitational interaction are graviton. Since these gravitons are not predicted till now, but we have assumed them. Okay, and the predicted properties of this graviton are spin, velocity and mass. Its mass is 0. Its mass is considered as 0. Predicted mass, we can say that. Okay, these are the predicted properties on your screen. You can see that. spin, velocity and mass. Mass is considered as 0 till now. Since its formula is given by F is directly proportional to m into m upon r square, its range is infinite, therefore its mass is 0. Why the mass is 0? Because its range is infinite. Something's range is infinite, that object is considered as a massless or negligible mass object. Okay, so from this we can conclude that the range of the gravitational interaction is inversely proportional to the mass of exchange particles. Okay, and इसको हम अगर फॉर्मुलेट करें तो वो कुछ इस तरीके से होगा कि रेंज r1 upon range r2 is equals to m2 upon n1. Since these are constant, so that's why this is written like this. फोर्थ प्रॉपर्टी इज अवर, इट इज़ द वीकेस्ट फोर्स ऑफ नेचर. ये बहुत ज़्यादा वीक फोर्स है नेचर की. सिंस मान लीजिए कि ये एक सरफेस है और इस सरफेस पे मैंने ये रखा हुआ है, ठीक है, तो आई कैन ईजिली पिक इट अप बिकॉज देयर इज़ अ वेरी वीक इंटरेक्शन. बट इट इज़ लाइक दिस. अगर ये यहाँ पे अटैच्ड है तो इसका मतलब इसमें फोर्स लग रही है, तभी ये चीज़ रुकी हुई है. इफ़ आई एम पिकिंग दिस पेन अप तो इसका मतलब है कि ये बहुत ज़्यादा वीक फोर्स है, मुझे इसमें कुछ भी पावर नहीं लग रही है, लाइक नेग्लिजिबल पावर इसमें लग रही है मेरी इस पेन को ऊपर उठाने में. नेक्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी इज अवर, जो हमारी ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स होती है ये अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 10⁻⁻40 टाइम्स होती है हमारी इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक फोर्स के इंटरेक्शन से. ओके, सो दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रिलेशन. दिस कैन बी आस्क्ड डायरेक्टली इन योर एग्जाम दैट व्हाट इज द relation between these two forces of nature. So we will say F gravitational is approximately equals to 10⁻⁻40 times F electromagnetic. Okay, then after that we will have this, the strength of interaction is given by, the strength, इसकी जो interaction की strength होगी वो हमारी किस फॉर्मूले से दी गई है? ये है हमारा फॉर्मूला G mn square h cut upon h cut c, where G is our gravitational constant, mn is our mass of nucleon, h cut is our Planck's constant, we can say that, and c is the velocity of light. Okay, स्पीड ऑफ लाइट या वेलोसिटी ऑफ लाइट कह सकते हैं, ठीक है. और इसकी जो यूनिट होती है CGS या ESU में दी जाती है, जो कि अप्रॉक्सीमेटली किसके इक्वल है? 10⁻⁻40. Okay, so this is about gravitational interaction. Hope you would have understood this. In the next video I'm going to explain you about the another rest 3 जो हमारे interactions हैं. So इस वीडियो में बने रहें. अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आई तो दोबारा से दूसरी वीडियो देखने के लिए आप मेरे चैनल पर ज़रूर आइएगा. Thank you.